Welcome to the topic series. Today we're talking about Wildland goggles and specifically the 510 series with elastic straps. The 510 series with elastic straps are models 510WE and 510WEN. The WEN indicates it has the nose protection and the WE has the standard classic shape. The elastic strap is a 1-inch wide fire retardant strap that easily adjusts with a quick release buckle. These features and benefits of the easy adjustment, the bezel that it covers and creates vents for chemical splash, the soft silicone frame, and the wide peripheral vision all add to the comfort of the wildland firefighter. It's not unusual for a wildland firefighter to wear glasses underneath their goggle. The glasses could be safety glasses or they could be prescription glasses. And we've made accommodations for this so that the temples will move through these slots right here, and the goggle has a large volume, or a high volume as we say, that allows the glasses to fit underneath the goggle comfortably. The next model includes the nose protection. This is the WEN, and this nose protection for wildland is very important for nose sunburn. I've interviewed a lot of wildland firefighters, and a sunburn on the nose is a common problem. So this protects the nose, has all of the other additional same features of the strap, the quick release, the soft silicone frame, the hooded bezel, hard-coated lens, and the anti-fog interior.